In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your website in Webflow. We're going to walk through the full setup process, from placing the map element in your design to connecting a Google Maps API key so the map displays properly on your live site. If you've ever dropped in a map and only seen a gray box or a watermarked placeholder, this is the fix. Start by opening your project inside the Webflow Designer. Once you are in, go to the left sidebar and click the Add panel, which is the A icon. This is where Webflow stores all of the elements and components you can place on the page. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced section, then select the map component. Drag and drop that map onto your canvas, wherever you want it to appear. At this stage, it's important to understand that the map will not fully work without an API key. If you don't connect one, the map may stay gray or show a watermark. So the next part is essential. Now, head over to the Google Maps platform and click Get Started. From there, you'll either set up a new Google Cloud project or select an existing one if you already have one ready. After that, link a billing account. This sounds intimidating. But for most standard marketing or business websites, Google provides a generous free monthly credit, so many sites actually generate charges under normal usage. Once your project is ready, go to the Keys and Credentials tab in the left sidebar. Click Create Credentials. Then choose a API key. Google will generate a new key for you. Copy that key because you'll need to paste it into Webflow in the next step. Now return to Webflow. But this time, go to your dashboard and open your site settings instead of the designer. Click on Apps and Integrations. Then find the Google Maps section. You will see a field labeled Google Maps JavaScript API key. Paste your API key into that field, then click Save. After saving, publish your site so the integration updates properly. Once that's done, go back to the designer and double-click the map element on your canvas. This opens the map settings window where you can type in your business address or the name of the location you want to display. Then adjust the zoom level to control how close the map appears. And choose the map type that best fits your design, whether that's road map, satellite, terrain, or hybrid. After that's all to it. Thanks for watching.